Now we'll create banking app. Here, I created accounts dictionary of int and bank account type and initialized it with new dictionary. Bank account is a class. In this class, I have 3 properties: account number, name, and balance. Then I created parameterized constructor and initialized these properties inside it. Then I created deposit method which takes double type parameter. Inside it, I add this amount and balance. Then I created Boolean withdraw method which also takes double type parameter. Inside it, I used if statement to keep withdraw amount lower than balance. Inside it, I deducted the amount from balance and returned true to indicate successful transaction. Then I returned false in case of errors. Then I created Boolean type variable and set it true. Then I created while loop and passed this variable as condition. Inside it, I printed the options for operations. Then I created string type choice variable and initialized it read line method to get user input. Then I created switch and passed choice variable as condition. Then I created case for each operation and called the method accordingly. Each method requires accounts dictionary, so I passed it to all method. Let's see create account method. In this method, I'm first getting the user's name and storing it in name variable. Then I'm getting initial deposit amount by calling getValidAmount method and stored the amount in initial deposit variable. Inside this getValidAmount method, I created while loop and passed true as condition. Inside it, I'm using if statement and in condition, I used readLine method and wrapped it inside double.tryParse method to convert the input into double type. Then I created the amount variable to store the input, and also checked that amount must be greater than 0. Inside it, I returned the amount, and in else block, I printed the error message. Then I set the account number equal to account count plus 1. Then I used that account number from account and initialized it with new bank account and passed account number, name, and initial deposit amount. And then printed the success message along with account number. Next, I created deposit method. Inside it, I'm getting account number by calling getValidAccountNumber method and stored the input in account number variable, and also passed this account parameter to it. Inside this getValidAccountNumber method, I created while loop and passed true as condition. Then I created if statement and used readLine method in condition, and wrapped this method inside int.tryParse method to convert the input into int type. Then I created account number variable to store input, and also used account.contains_key method and provided this account number to it. This method will look for account number in dictionary, and if account number is not found then it will return false. Inside it, I return the account number, and in else block, I returned error message. Then I created amount variable and called getValidAmount method to get the amount to deposit. After that, I accessed the user account from accounts using account number and using the deposit method and passed the amount variable to it. Then I printed the success message and also printed the new balance. Next, I created the withdraw method. Inside it, I asked for account number using getValidAccountNumber method and stored the input value in account number variable. Then I asked for amount to withdraw using getValidAmount method and stored the input value in amount variable. Then I created if statement and called withdraw method using account number. This method will return true on successful transaction. Inside it, I printed the success message along with updated balance. And in else block, I printed the error message. Next, I created the check balance method. Inside it, I asked for the account number using getValidAccountNumber method and stored the input value in account number variable. Then I printed the account holder's name and balance from the accounts dictionary using the account number. Now run the program. Options are displaying here. Select one to create account first. Add name and initial amount. Then select 2 to deposit. Enter account number first. Then enter amount. Then select 3 to withdraw some amount. Enter account number. Then enter amount to withdraw. Then select 4 to check the balance. Enter the account number. Account holder's name and the balance is printed. Now select 5 to exit. And the program is closed. With this banking app is complete.